Hi, today I'm running Galaxy S23 Ultra and I'll show you how to change icon shape with X Icon Changer app on this device. So first, let's open the Play Store application, and now in the search bar we should enter the X Icon Changer app. Now we should get this first application, that's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application will download in and then installing on your device. Then tap to open button to open the app. Click here to continue to app, tap to allow and select one from these available applications which icon you just want to change. For example, let's use the contacts. Here we can see the library with all of just the available folders with different icons. You can use thumb if you want. Also, you can use photo from your device gallery or just to take a picture right now in camera app. For example, I'll use one from this available icons, so the contacts one. This is the contacts icon. Then tap on the right upper corner to OK. Now we should just keep the videos. Click to add and we can go to the desktop directly or to change the next icon by the same way. So let's just see, then this is the new contacts icon. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.